In this video, we will be doing more algebra from geometry. As always, the algebra comes from the geometry of the problem. So we have supplements here, angle Q supplementary to angle W, meaning that these two angles add up to 180. So 5x plus 2y plus 6x minus 10y equals 180. And then also angle R supplementary to angle W, meaning that these two angles also add up to 180. 5x plus 2y plus 3x plus 2y equals 180. So now we'll move over here and get these in a form that we can do elimination. So collecting like terms, 11x minus 8y equals 180. And then down here, 8x plus 4y equals 180. So we're going to eliminate the y by multiplying the bottom equation by 2. So 11x minus 8y equals 180. 16x plus 8y equals 360. Then adding to eliminate, we have 27x equals 540, and then x equals 20. Now we'll put this x back in to one of these equations to solve for y. So we'll put it in here. So 20 times 11 is 220 minus 8y equals 180. Negative 8y equals is negative 40. So then y equals 5. We've got x equals 20 and y equals 5. So now as a check in red, we're going to put these back in. 20 times 5 is 100 plus 5 times 2, so that is 110. So now here, 20 times 6 is 120. 5 times 10 is 50. 120 minus 50 is 70. And then down here, 20 times 3 is 60. 5 times 2 is 10. 60 plus 10 is 70 again. And we have our check. And that is how you do these. Remember, since we have two unknowns, we need two equations. And we can get them from the geometry of the problem.